Hello students, welcome again. So in the previous video we have discussed the story The Scholar's Mother Tongue, and in this video we shall complete the question answer and the complete exercise work. So let us start it. First is reading is fun. First question, who came to Akbar's court? अकबर के दरबार में कौन आया? A learned पंडित came to Akbar's court. एक विद्वान पंडित अकबर के कोर्ट में आए. What did he claim to know? उसने क्या जानने का दावा किया? He claimed to know many different languages. He could speak them fluently. उसने दावा किया कि वह बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस जानता है और उनको फ्लुएंसी के साथ बोल सकता है. How did he challenge everybody? उसने क्या चैलेंज दिया? He challenged everybody to name his mother tongue. उसने अपनी मदर टंग ढूंढने का चैलेंज दिया. Now let's talk. What is your mother tongue? Now what is mother tongue? When a child learns first language after his birth, that is called mother tongue. जन्म के बाद बच्चा जो पहली भाषा सीखता है उसे उसकी मातृभाषा कहते हैं. My mother tongue is Hindi. Your mother tongue can be any language. So you will write here what is your mother tongue. Then second, tell the class a joke in your mother tongue. Then you will write here a joke in your mother tongue. Like this joke is in Hindi. एक तोता एक कार से टकरा गया तो उस कार वाले ने उसे उठवाकर पिंजरे में डाल दिया. दूसरे दिन जब तोते को होश आया वह बोला, आइला जेल, कार वाला मर गया क्या? Now next, do you know any other language? क्या आप इसके अलावा कोई और लैंग्वेज भी जानते हो? Do you know a joke in English? Tell your friends. क्या आप इंग्लिश में कोई जोक जानते हो? Then tell. Yes, I do know English. इसके अलावा आप कोई और लैंग्वेज जानते हो? Then you will write. Yes, I do know a joke in English. This joke is in English. A guy comes to his doctor. Doctor, please, every time I say abracadabra, people disappear. Doctor means doctor also disappeared. Now say aloud, ask, bask, mask, task, scholar, school, scan, scheme. We say I learnt my lesson. Now learnt is action word. But a learned pandit came to the court. Now learned is describing word. This is describing the quality of pandit. We pronounce it as learned to rhyme with created, waited. Now take the words which end with the sound id. Say each word aloud. Accepted, completed, irritated, cried, celebrated, fried. These words end with id यानी id sound. Now word building. Make a class dictionary with words from the story. Try to find suitable words for them in your mother tongue. Say these words aloud, then make sentence with those words in your class dictionary. Now find some words from the story and also search their meaning in your mother tongue and then make sentence. Like first one, converse means बातचीत करना. Sentence, she conversed in German with the teacher. Second, tickle. Tickle means गुदगुदी करना. My baby sister laughs when I tickle her. Third, fluently means धारा प्रवाह यानी फर्राटे से बोलना. My grandfather can speak Sanskrit fluently. Next, difficulty means कठिन, मुश्किल. The level of difficulty is very high this time. Next, accepted means स्वीकार करना. I accepted the truth. Next, quietly. Quietly means शांति से. The teacher asked students to sit quietly. Next, surprise, which means हैरान करना. My sister gave me a surprise gift on my birthday. Now, write all the words that show you are happy. For example, hooray, haha. Add more, wow, yahoo, yay. Next, take the right answer. I visited the court of Akbar means you always live there. You came there for a short time. You were born there. Answer will be you came there for a short time. To imitate someone means to copy someone, to teach someone, to make someone angry. Answer will be copy someone. Now look and fill in the columns. One has been done for you. Quiet, quietly. Fluent, fluently. Angry, angrily. Sad, sadly. Fierce, fiercely. Gentle, gently. Next, match the words in column A with words in column B. King, courtiers. Teacher, students. Doctor, patients. Bus driver, passengers. Lawyer, clients. Mother, children. Play this game with a friend. Pick up what you want from any basket. Add a or an before it. Now say the sentences below using these things. A rug, a pillow, a bedsheet. An alarm clock, a wall clock, a wristwatch. An apple, an orange, a banana, an ice cream. A bow, an arrow, a ball, a bat, a doll. A waistcoat, a long coat, a raincoat, an umbrella. Generally, we add an article with the words starting from vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. जो वर्ड्स A, E, I, O, U वोवल से स्टार्ट होते हैं हम उनके आगे एन आर्टिकल का यूज करते हैं. और द वर्ड स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम कॉन्सोनेंट बट गिविंग द साउंड ऑफ वोवल, देन ऑल्सो वी एड एन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑनेस्ट, it is starting from consonant H, but it is the giving sound of vowel, honest. That's why we will add N before the honest. Nina, can I have an apple please? Rahul, yes, here you are. Jivika, can I have a doll too? Nikhil, no sorry, you can't have that. Now make more sentences using words from the baskets. Pradeep, can I have an orange please? Neha, yes, here you are. Radha, can I have a pillow too? Rehan, no, sorry, you can't have that. Jagdeep, can I have an umbrella please? Kirti, yes, here you are. Amrinder, can I have a ball too? Khushi, no, sorry, you can't have that. Let's hear, how did Birbal find out about the Pandit's mother tongue? Answer, Birbal entered quietly in the Pandit's room. Then he whispered and tickled in his ear. Pandit shouted in his mother tongue. In this way, Birbal found out Pandit's mother tongue. Act this with your friends and make it into a class play. The truth balloon. Suppose you are going on a camping holiday. What are the 4 most important things you will carry with you? Choose from the tags attached to the hot air balloon. Now you have to choose the things you will carry with you when you will go for a camping. Water bottles, money, first aid kit, food packets. Crossword fun. India is a country of many languages. Let us see if you know what the people of the states in this crossword puzzle speak. The clues are given below. The first letter of each answer has been filled in for you. Across, this will be from left to right. First one, this language is spoken in Odisha. This will be Odia. Second, it is spoken in Karnataka. It will be Kannada. Fourth, the people of Assam speak this language. This will be Assamese. Seventh, this language is used in Andhra Pradesh. This will be Telugu. 8. You can hear this spoken in Maharashtra. It will be Marathi. Down, now it will be from up to down. Third, the people of Kerala speak this language. This will be Malayalam. Fifth, this is our national language. It will be Hindi. Sixth, the language of the Goan people. This will be Konkani. Seventh, this is spoken in Tamil Nadu. This will be Tamil. Ninth, it is widely spoken in Uttar Pradesh and elsewhere. This will be Urdu. So this was the exercise of the chapter The Scholar's Mother Tongue. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel PJ Bright Classes. Thank you. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.